This is how you create a recipe on FitnessPal on your phone. It is a little different than on your computer. So I'm going to make the recipe from the sampler of the peppermint patties. What I'm doing is I'm opening up FitnessPal, and you can see here that I am entering in what I'm making, which is my recipe, peppermint patties. And now I am going to put in the number of servings. And the book says 16, but you do have some flexibility there. So now I've closed my screen, I'm scrolling back, and I'm opening up the actual booklet here. I'm highlighting the text and having a little bit of a hard time getting the right words, but nonetheless, I copied it, flipping back, and I'm gonna paste it. So I have to delete a few words. Bam, 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 super easy. And you could do this with all of the recipes that I've sent you. Alrighty, ready to go? Let's hit the magic button. Okay, so this is where you have to take your time and examine each of the ingredients. And you can see here, my eyes caught a mistake. I am cross-referencing each ingredient because sometimes FitnessPal makes mistakes, and I noticed that the dates here, that one date showed up as 2 calories, so that is wrong. I am going to continue looking at the rest of the ingredients, making sure everything else is okay. And now that everything else checks out, I'm going to edit and replace that ingredient with an alternate. And you just click it. I found the right date. I added it and it made the adjustment. And so now you can see here that I've created the recipe, and there you have it. 1 peppermint patty is 94 calories. And voila, it is saved. Super easy. I've added it into my FitnessPal, and now it is in there under recipes. No excuses.